What's good, Wavy Gang, man? Hey, look, we are back with another video, man. How you guys doing today? So, this video is strictly how to get waves before the summertime hit, man. So, look, you probably like, we have about 4 to 5 months before the summertime. You know what I mean? You like, man, I need to hurry up and get some waves, because you know, when the sun hits your waves in the during the summer, it hit different. You feel me? So you probably like, yo, I need to hurry up and get some waves, and I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you get waves within weeks. You know what I mean? So hold on, let me go have bath, nigga. Let me get my bath. Hey, look, let me get my bath. Let me drink a little bath. Yeah, I'll teach y'all how to get some waves. You know what I'm saying? In a few weeks. You feel me? Depending on, you know, which waves you want. 720s, 540s, 360, all of it. You feel me? Hey, but look though, before we start this video, man, make sure y'all give me a like, comment, subscribe, support your boy on the come up. You know what I mean? I got a little candle back there. I just bought that today. You know what I mean? It's a vibe. You feel me? It's a vibe. Hey, but man, let's get into this video though, man. Let's get it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is just horrendous. We're supposedly
Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move, that could be my last.
So this video gonna be different. You feel me? It's gonna be mad different because I don't usually talk. I usually brush. But this video, I'm gonna talk. Let you know, heads up, I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna try to make it entertaining. I'm gonna try to make it interesting so it doesn't be boring and you wanna hurry up and skip through. Because you need to watch the whole video in order to know how to get waves. So first thing you need to do, you need to know what kind of waves you want. If you want 720s, 540s, 360s. Now most of you guys probably watching this, you probably want 360s. Have very few people who want 720s that's watching this video. Let's say you want 360s, typical waves that everybody get, okay? You want 360s, your hair goes somewhat fast, slow, right between, right? Okay, cool. So the best method I can say to really help grow your waves. So I will cut my hair at a curling length, right? So when your hair is at a curling length, that's when you start getting waves. If your hair is not at a curling length and you're brushing, there's no purpose, really, because you brushing for no reason. Now the reason I brush my hair when I had scalped it is because I had to learn, you know, how to brush my hair actually. You know, I never had 720, so I had to actually like learn. So I was practicing before my curling length actually started, you know, hitting. So step 1, figure out what kind of waves you want. 2, cut it at a curling length. 3, Step 3, you need to get a mirror and start brushing. That's step 3. Now, so y'all thought it was gonna be easy. So you thought you gonna come on here and think you about to get waves like that, like it's fine. It's like, no, it's not. I'll probably say the best thing, no exaggeration. Wash your style. That will get you the most fastest results that there is. Besides using some kit or something, you know what I mean? But washing style, that will get you the fastest results. I'm telling you, if you cut your hair at a curling length, and if you brush every day for a minimum 30 minutes every day, you would have a decent amount of waves within about 3 weeks. Guaranteed. I promise you will. If you do washing style 2 times a week, and if you brush a minimum 30 minutes a day, you will have a nice, decent 360 around your head by the end of 3 weeks. You know what I mean? I would try the trend for y'all, or try that trick for y'all, but I got the 720, so. But as y'all can see, I got my waves where I'm at right now. I got this in about 2 months, right? So, I mean, that shows you that you really will get results. You feel me? So, if you was to brush your hair every day, 30 minutes, do washing style method for 2 times a week, you definitely gonna have results, guaranteed, no doubt. Ain't no magic, put something on your head. Nah, and it's not grease. I don't get why people think it's grease that gets you waves. Grease does not get you waves. Grease and use for my hair. I don't know about this. See, it's probably too bright. Oh, it's not. There we go. So yeah. So this is what I use. I use coconut oil for my hair because I know I got like really bad dry hair. The thing is, grease does not get you waves. It doesn't. Grease is just to help maintain your hair, stay healthy, to keep it rich and nutrient and all that good stuff or whatever. But it does not get you waves. Only thing that gets you waves is brushing. And to realize the reason I say washing style method, because when your hair is wet, it curls up. And that's the best time to brush and get as many waves as you can out of that wash and style or whatever. You know what I mean? So that's why I said wash and style method, it gets you the most progress. I'm telling you, if you do it correctly, if you do it the way that I've showed you in my previous videos, it's gonna get you waves. It's gonna get you results. I guarantee you, it's no lie. Step 1, detect what kind of waves you want. Determine what waves you want, right? Step 2, cut it at a curling length, right? You don't want it too short because you kind of hurt to get the waves fast, right? So you want to cut it at a curling length. That's step 2. Step 3, you want to brush for a minimum of 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes a day. And you need a mirror. You want to look in the mirror. You want to as well. You could, I guess you could put for step 3 as well as washing style method 2 times a week, right? Step 4, rag up. And that's it. You feel me? If you do that for 3 weeks straight, guaranteed you're going to have your waves coming in soon. I mean, I can see for me, I mean, I got proof to show. I've never had 720s. Before I even get to 720s, to keep it stacked, I looked at other people's videos. Like Wavy Crockett, that's one guy, he had 720s. And there's a whole bunch of other people, you know. And I was looking at them, and a lot of them were saying that in the beginning, you know, it's hard. Your wave's gonna be looking crazy with the woo. And that's a flex or anything, but when I have my waves, and you can look back in the previous videos, like my waves, they came out, you know, decent. Because a lot of people said that your waves gonna come out at different crazy angles. But for me, my waves came out at a decent, you know, angle. Like it came out in the right direction that I ought for it to come out in a certain degree. Not with the forks and stuff, but in the you know, in the symmetry that I wanted to come out as, it came out in the right, you know, in the right angle that I thought, you know, it would, and it did, right? It's just my techniques, man. All I can say is follow my techniques, and I'm gonna be straight, bro. I'm telling y'all. Because after the 720s, after this whole year of 720s, we're going to 540s, right? So, hey, and after 540s, what, 360s again? I mean, I'm about to kill the game. I'm about to kill the game with all the wave channels. And like, all these wave channels you see, you know what I mean? They cool and all, but I'm about to take over. Like, you know, 360 Jeezy, you know, he had his time, you know, and now he cutting hair with the woo. I mean, he's still doing his thing, right? You know, Sir Cruz, he did his 360, right? You feel me? Then he went to 720s, you know, now he got braids. And he's not doing waves no more, but you know, he react to waves and stuff like that. But as y'all can see, you know, with the OGs, you know, they gone now. You need someone else to take over, you feel me? And I'm gonna be that one to take over for y'all, you feel me? So y'all stick with me, y'all gonna be straight on it, you feel me? So, yeah, hey, 720s, we finna take over that. After 720s, 540s, hey, we taking over the game with 360s on YouTube, man. Hey, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, you feel me? I probably talk fast, it's all good though, but y'all know what I'm saying though. Hey man, peace from the streets, you heard?